She go to school every day. She goes to school every day. She gone to school every day. Right answer is, she goes to school every day.
They plays football on weekends. They play football on weekends. They is playing football on weekends. The right answer is, they play football on weekend. He write letters to his mother. He writes letters to his mother. He writing letters to his mother. Right answer is, he writes letters to his mother. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. The sun rising in the east. Right answer is, the sun rises in the east. We enjoys the party every year. We enjoy the party every year. We enjoying the party every year. Right answer is, we enjoy the party every year. Does she help her friends? Does she help her friends? Does she help her friends? Right answer is, does she help her friends? They does their homework on time. They do their homework on time. They doing their homework on time. Right answer is, they do their homework on time. Birds flies in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. Birds flying in the sky. Right answer is, birds fly in the sky. He doesn't eat meat. He doesn't eat meat. He don't eat meat. Right answer is, he doesn't eat meal. Does your brother like coffee? Do your brother likes coffee? Does your brother likes coffee? Right answer is, does your brother like coffee? She cleaned the house every morning. She cleans the house every morning. She cleaning the house every morning. Right answer is, she cleans the house every morning. They watches TV in the evening. They watch TV in the evening. They watching TV in the evening. Right answer is, they watch TV in the evening. My parents doesn't visit us often. My parents don't visit us often. My parents not visit us often. Right answer is, my parents don't visit us often. The train arrive on time. The train arrives on time. The train arriving on time. Right answer is, the train arrives on time. He always speaks politely to others. He always speaks politely to others. He always speaking politely to others. Right answer is, he always speaks politely to others.